Sheng Zhen healing 3. Listen to my counting. Everybody silently with counting. In the beginning, the range of the movement not so big, like this. Ready? Begin. 1, torso move, hands just follow up to here enough. 2, 3, enough, and then change. 4, 5, still 5, 5 up to here, and then 6, go back, and then 1, here, 2, 3, step, ready, 4, pull, push, slowly, pull, push. Just already 7 times. Here, not too fast. Finish. Other side. 1, 2, pull, push, pull, push. Slowly. Pull. Last time. Push. From here, everybody pay attention. Next. 1, come here, R already. And then 2, do not do like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, like this. 1, 2, 1, left side, 2, right side, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Continue. Slow. Finish. And then the counting. Next. Ready. Here said ready. And then 1, go back. 2, go forward. 1, go back. After many times, said last time. After go back, finish. To the corner of eyes. 2 of them speech, very good. And then go down. And then contract and lower the head. The position already no problem. And then rocking. After many times, said, straighten the body. Same thing, only position change. Okay. Okay. Ready? Blow. Up. Down. Okay. Listen to my speech. So Sheng Zhen practice, more important is with the love. Always remember, my body full of love. And I love everyone, I love everything. Even something not good, now many negative things. Of course, you don't love the negative things. You just think the good point. So always have many negative, also many good things. To enjoy the good things. Always remember, now the world, too many problems. For you, I'm the Sheng Zhen person. Really like lotus. Lotus from the water, very dirty. You said here really dirty, but I'm very pure. Remember this. Don't let the negative things bother you. Even many problems, I'm very pure. People worry, I'm okay. My body very pure. People worry, I'm no problem. Remember, why we need Sheng Zhen? Why need Sheng Zhen? Because human society have big problem. Earth also have big problem. That's why need us. Remember, this is not a new world. This is a transition time from the old world go to the new world. Hope everybody understands. Sheng Zhen is help people easily go through the transition time from 后天 time to 中天 time. If very easy, no need us, because not so easy. That's why need Sheng Zhen people, full of love, have very strong confidence. Many people cannot follow the change. Maybe have big problem. So we must be relax our body. Our heart very quiet and very pure. Even many hatred, but we are with love to see the big picture, to see the whole world. Also many problems, even the weather, so many negative things happen, even just for the nature. Today, I'm in Beijing, the number two university, Tsinghua University. Right away, big windy, big raining. Some tree even break. The same. Also have many funny weather. So that's why we understand our Earth, Mother Earth, have problem because the human are doing many wrong things. So for us, never lost hope. Always have good energy with love. Use our power, qi, heart, clean the world. But even you want to clean, still many negative things. So we just do our best. We need easy go through the transition time. So I hope everybody think the meaning of Sheng Zhen. So important, our body always relax, always relax. Even our heart have many problems. We say, go away, go down. So always said no problem. Actually, really, the earth really many problems. So even not only economy, maybe many people have problems, even die. So that's why the world need unconditional love, little by little faith. I hope everybody, you have strong heart. Many negative things happen, help people to understand this earth really need unconditional love. Even human society have problems. The weather, everything have problems. So that's why we need the earth have strong energy. That's why we need Sheng Zhen spirit. So for Sheng Zhen family, we always think we are one heart, heart and heart connect. We want our power of love to clean the energy of the earth. Many senior people, 教育生人 very early, before 2000, 1990s, people understand. Many people already do good job. How can help the earth? Okay. Even many negative things. Remember, we are okay because we have big heart. So think earth, also think heaven. So heaven gave us job, work. We just do our best. Okay.